Please watch the bonus at the end of tutorial number 501. Don't forget. Hi my friends. The fourth chapter deals with materials and appearance, tools, tool, and drawings. Go ahead and enjoy. We have this part. We want to apply the material steel cast. We go to material and we select the key T. T is the last here, and this is why we use it, because we can select rapidly this material. This is not enough because the appearance is not of steel cast. This is why we go to appearance and we select the key T again, steel cast. Now you see this is a steel cast appearance. Of course, you can select other faces in order to apply steel polished. Now I don't use T because this is right here. Steel polished, and we have a nice presentation. Another appearance improvement is related to default lights. As you can see, when we select view, we have here one light. We don't select one light. We also don't select default IBL, but default lights. And you see the aspect is very, very appropriate. When you finish modeling, you will see these edges, and you don't like this. If you go to View, Visual Style, and apply Shaded instead shaded with edges, you see that edges disappear. Okay, but if you save this object on your hard disk and you open again, you'll see that they reappear. To make permanent this presentation, you have to go to Tools, Document Settings, Settings, then go here and select Shaded instead of shaded with edges, which is by default. Okay. Now you can save, you can open it again, and you don't have visible edges. We have this part and this drawing. Here we have a breakout. Let's create another one here. To do this, we have to create a sketch. Start sketch about this view. Then we create usually number of lines. I keep pressed the Control key to create random sides. Finish sketch, breakout, we select the view. Inventor recognizes this contour, closed contour, and asks us about the point in the depth where we want to apply this cut. We select this endpoint of this flange, yes, this point. And now we see how looks this. Here is a dimension, and it was indicated as broken. No problem, we don't care about this. But we see here zigzag line instead of a nice curved cut. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and we eliminate all these lines, and we use the spline interpolation as a contour. Now we can draw nice and professional lines to close this area. Okay. Finish sketch, breakout, we select the view, and it seems to be not connected. Let me see what is that sketch. This is the sketch. This point is disconnected. Yes, I make them coincident. Finish sketch, and now we apply breakout of this area, this view. Inventor recognizes this area, and we select again this point. Okay, accept again, and now you see here a nice curve. There are situations when this is a greater contour. Now I want to make this line to be like this one. To do this, we go to Format, and we select Sketch Geometry to have a thin line. Very nice, very professional. This is a conventional threaded screw, and we want to place the thread and the drawing. To do this, you select the view, right click, and display thread features. Now you have this, and you can place the dimension, of course. This model was presented in my tutorial number 401. Its drawing is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 views are here, made in the classical way, but here we have sections of the model at different levels. If you want to create these sketches, you have to create a new sketch. I use the former sketch, double click, and to create such kind of slots, then go back and place dimensions like this one to present the sketch. After this you can print all the drawing, of course. This part is my tutorial number 051. We want to create only this view as a section without this projection. To do this, we create a new IDW ISO, then we place at a larger scale this part, for instance 4:1. Okay, then we move this sketch outside the drawing and we apply section of this view I have to place this section, continue, and now we place it here. If you take a look to the whole image, you see this. If you use home key, you see only this, and when you print, this is what you obtain, this drawing. If you want to create a new section, for instance of this view with this section line, and you want to place it in another place than up here, right click, select continue, and then instead of these two solutions, press the Control key and you can place this wherever you want. But if you go below the section line, you have to take care of your option. Yes? We have this part with two holes. Both are metric 8. They were made like this: hole, threaded, isometric profile, 8. This is 8, and through all, okay. This is the same with this. Then we create a hole, not threaded, placed here, okay, and then we apply thread to this hole with a diameter of 8. Okay, you see this dimension is smaller than this, but both are metric 8. I don't keep this because I made a drawing. This is the drawing. If you apply dimension to this as a diameter, you have a dimension of 8. Okay, that's right. But if I select this, also diameter, we have another dimension. This is not metric 8. You must be careful with this because they are definitely different. Also different is the weight of the part, of course. If you use this solution, the weight of part is greater than if you select the other solution. Logical. I added a new hole for you to understand what I want to show you. This is a section in steps, and this is a projection view, but you can want to align the sketch along this step sketch line. To do this, you select the sketch line and apply Edit Section Properties. Instead of projected, you can select the other method, aligned. This is the other method. And now we have aligned like unfolded line for the projection. This is the aligned projection. We have a drawing with a superimposed text here. I want to cut this line. To do this, we create a new sketch, start sketch, of this view, not another view. Then we draw a rectangle, finish sketch. We apply breakout for this view. Now you see in blue the rectangle, and we cut it through the whole part. What part? Inventor waits for us. This part. Okay. Very nice. Yes, you can extend that. This is the breakout. Double click and I extend this to here. Finish sketch. Good. We go back to this prosthesis and we see here very short names. We want to have more details about each feature. To do this, we go to this small menu, Display Preferences, and we select Show Extended Names. And now we have more data for each feature. Sometimes we need to apply big points like these ones in a drawing, like this one. Let's create a new point like this one here in the other end. We select the view, we apply start sketch, we project this line, and we draw a circle at the end of that projected line. The diameter must be 2 millimeters. Then we apply hatch region, we refer to this region, this small region, and we select no hatch but solid, my friends. You see? Okay, finish sketch. It was here, but no problem, you know what I wanted to tell you. We want to place this picture in a drawing. We apply screenshot of the picture, we convert it to BMP, bitmap, then we place it in the clipboard and we select an IDW like this one. Here we use the Tools tab, you know this too, but there is also this tab to use Paste Special. Then select bitmap, OK, and you have the picture. This is too large. We make it smaller, and home, we can place it anywhere in the drawing. An interesting aspect of working with Inventor is as follows. Here I have all the 500 tutorials, and you see here a special object, YouTube tutorials.ipj. You can copy this object, for instance here in Documents, paste. Then double click it and the Inventor is opening, and you see here YouTube tutorials. Select it and select YouTube tutorials, and you get access to all the objects you have in this folder where IPG is present. It is here. I think this can be a way to better organize your work. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.